Alright, here we go. Little Nightingale. Free spins. Let's roll. Oh my god, where's the fucking old guy in the first reel? Little re-trigger. Alright. Come on. Oh, bring him. Alright, re-trigger. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give some action here. There it is. Nice. Little five-of-a-kind action on the fucking parakeet, whatever. Let's do it. Woo! Alright. Little McGlavin coin show coming here.
There you go.
Some of that old guy. Come on, old dude. Oh, do it, do it, do it, do it! Come on! Five-of-a-kind that shit. Ah, 5X, that would have been awesome. Still a $70 win on that hit. Let's go. Come on. Hell yeah. Little Nightingale bonus slot titan coming at you.